Hey guys, welcome back to the Boho Babe Homestead Botany channel, also known as the Boho Babe Homestead Plant Collection channel. So I have this is the Heliconia plant. There's a lot of them over there. I have this plant on my homestead, but I noticed that these ones are flowering. And I'm going to show you how the stages. Okay, so this is the leaf. And this is the itty bitty flower blossom, and then they come up like this. There's another one. There's ants on them, so I have to be careful. And then it grows into this, and then these things open into those things like that. And this is why they're called a lobster claw, Heliconia, because they look like lobster claws. Just wanted to share that with you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.